Hi everyone, welcome back to our Jodoo Masterclass. In our last video, we showed you how to quickly create a form from an Excel file. Today, let's switch things up. We're going to build a form completely from scratch, so you can see just how flexible and powerful Jodoo's Form Designer really is. If you want total control over your form's layout and every field, this is the way to go. Let's dive in together. First, open the app where you want to create your form. For example, I'm heading into the HR Management app. Click the plus, select New Form, and then choose Create from Scratch. This will take us straight to the Form Designer. Next, let's get familiar with the Form Designer layout. There are three main sections here. Left panel. This is your field selection area. You'll find all the different field types you can add to your form. We'll explore each field type in future videos. Center canvas. This is your design board. Just drag and drop fields here to build your form and arrange their order however you like. Right panel. Here's where you configure properties for each field and set up your form settings. You can adjust how fields look, behave, and even set rules for the whole form. Let's design a form together to get comfortable with each section. Before you start adding fields, it's a good idea to plan out the information you want to collect. Think about what's important for your workflow. For example, let's say we're building an employee registration form. We'll need a serial no field to automatically generate employee IDs, a single-line field for employee names, a date and time field for their joining date, and maybe some more like department, contact info, and so on. Now, let's start adding fields. 1. Drag a serial no field from the left panel onto the center canvas. 2. Drag a single-line field for the employee name. 3. Add a date and time field for the joining date. Feel free to add any other fields your workflow needs. If you want to change the order of the fields, just drag them up or down, super easy. If you make a mistake, deleting fields is easy. To delete a single field, click on it, hit the delete button on the right, and confirm. To delete multiple fields, hold Ctrl or Command on Mac, select the fields you want to remove, then click Delete. Or hold Shift, select a range of fields, and click Delete. Quick and easy. If you accidentally delete a field, you can recover it from the recycle bin. Just remember, any records linked to that deleted field can't be restored. Next, let's customize your fields to fit your needs. Description. Add instructions or extra info for each field. For example, I'll write, enter the employee's full legal name. You can also change text style, color, add images, or links. Hint text. This is a short prompt inside the field before users type. I'll type Alex Johnson so users know the format. Initial value. Set a default value for the field. For example, set the joining date to today's date. For some fields, you can pull values from other data or use a formula. Validation. Decide if the field is required, if duplicate entries are allowed. I'll check Required for the name field. Now users must fill it in before submitting. Field permissions. Control who can view or edit each field. If you don't check View or Edit, users won't see or be able to change that field. Width. Adjust how wide the field appears so your layout looks just right. Take your time to adjust these settings. A clear, well-designed form makes everyone's job easier. That's it for building a form from scratch in Jodoo. In our next video, we'll show how to use different field types to collect exactly the data you need. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a Jodoo Masterclass. Thanks for watching and see you next time.